Hello everyone! This is me again. Welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, it's day 4. So cold. So, just hold it na lang because it might break the light. So, it's how many degrees?
In the morning time, it's supposed to be like 5 Celsius, and then later on in the day, it's going to go up to about 12 Celsius.
That. So, that's like 48 to 52 degrees Fahrenheit. So, guys, we're going na to Universal. It's really cold na. It's Monday and it's Monday here and everyone is at work, so hopefully our USJ will be not that crowded. We're gonna,
Did you
yeah.
bring your clothes?
Yeah, it's in my pocket. Why? What?
Wondering if you have them on. I was just wondering if you brought them.
Yeah. So many people. They're going to work, I think. But we're here.
Is today Monday?
Yeah, it's Monday here. Let's see, start. Kita sa yung, ano mo? Nasa si Mimo? Nasa si Mimo? Video Mimo mo? Ha? Di ba pangalanan Mimo? Mami? So, we're here na. We're gonna go to USJ.
What is USJ?
What did you say?
What is USJ?
Universal Studio Japan. So we bought our tickets online last Friday in Klook. So there, we're all set. We're gonna go na lang. So now we're gonna find a taxi going to USJ because we can't. Look, let's go. So guys, I'll update you na lang. It's so cold eh. My hands are freezing. Rar. Bye. Guys, we're going na to USJ or the Universal.
Ganap ang kapal.
Ano ba kayo? Nakakainis naman to sa sige po nga. Nakakapi ko na to.
Sobrang ganap na.
Ano ba?
Baka palitan na yung stamp. Baka palitan na yung stamp.
May pangalan ko kasi yun.
Eh ano?
Di ba pina-customize namin yun doon sa sa Warner Brothers.
Ang tanong, may pambayad pa kayo. Cash.
Ay, ang galing na. Nag-video ako. Nag-video
ko ba luggage mo?
Okay.
Eh, lahat ng gamit ko dun sa'yo. Kasi luggage ko eh, ano na lang,
Kung kasama mo ka?
sa loob na lang.
Baka mamaya may mawalang luggage na wala lahat.
Tsaka, mabigat yun.
Sorry, I'm wrong.
Sa'yo mo yun. Dala mo naman ang pang-weight, diba?
Hindi.
Sabi mo, dala mo.
Nasa akin, doon saan. Hindi ko lang dinala kasi na baka nga sa akin. Hindi namin kaya. Hindi namin alam kung sa ilalim na yun.
Sino mo malata?
Hindi mo battery.
Check-in.
May battery yun.
Ito sila dito lang. Kahit isang outlet.
Nahigman tayo pag sa kabila bababa yung pinagbabaan natin last time. Naglalakad tayo. Hindi sa may gate mismo. Yung bridge.
Bridge is falling down. Falling
Uy,
down.
Jansen.
And the bridge is falling down.
Diba nag-Ocean Park tayo?
Sa ocean ako.
Nandyan yung Lego. Lego. Kaya nga, pag ako pumunta dyan, di talaga.
Kung ayun mag-access sa luggage niya. Mag-add na kayo sa Jetstop.
Hindi kami mag-access. Walang laman yung kay Cory. Kaya lang bibili kami. Huwag na. Universal City. Kids, sakay tayo Jurassic.
7. Kaya kasha.
Ang kasha.
Dati ba?
Sino saan kasha? Ano kasha sa loob? Ako naman ito. Nakainis eh. Kala ko upuan, hindi kakasya tayo. Guys, it's Monday here in Japan and there's no traffic. In the Philippines, it's whole day traffic. Sorry guys. Uy, ito ako naka-record.
So, yun ang Filipino.
I'm not bashing. I'm just saying.
Ano kasi blood control. Nakaw pa mo.
Uy, cute.
That's reality.
Cute na sa ano ko. Nasa video eh.
Everybody knows. Everyone.
Kasi tingnan mo yung mga skyway nila, mga expressway nila, nasa ibabaw lahat talaga.
Eh, toll gate na natin yun yung 690.
Kaya nga, hindi just tingnan mo, yun nasa ibabaw na talaga lahat yung,
Daan na.
oo.
Parang ang layo pa lang sa Universal, no? Sa atin, paglabas ng highway, doon yung Universal eh.
Sa bagay, babango
Dalawa pa, kaliwat ka nang pwede.
Alam niya, hindi ko alam kung magbibideo pa ako eh, gawa ng dalawa.
Ayan, Moro.
Tatlo pa kayo. Ano ba po
Sa lahat ng sinakayan na dito, mga bilis.
Ayun na tayo, Jansen.
Dyan pala yung Universal Studio, sa Ferris wheel.
Jansen, ano ba? Ayun na.
USJ. Yan pala yun.
Baka doon na tayo sa kabila.
Tsaka po sa ikaw.
Kahit baka ibang universe na nasabi mo. Baka bakery.
Pag andun tayo, picture mo ka mga 11 lang ha. 11 nakaharap, 3 nakatalikod.
Ano yun?
Dalawa magkasama tayo.
That's my number. What's my number, Jansen?
Ay, salamat. Nakawak din ng pera. Salamat po.
Jansen ko si Daddy.
Pag ako nawala, wala na rin ako eh.
Dapat mainit ulo mo.
Wag. Baka iwanan ako pag mainit ulo ko. Hindi mo na ako Tito Alex eh.
Naglakad tayo. Ay, piling ko ito yung sa kabila, Kit. Di ba meron pang parang city pa yun?
Kaya,
Hindi pala siya
Yung
city.
7-Eleven.
Lawson.
Dasan dito, ang Lifesaver, Lawson at saka ano.
Bibili. 7-Eleven.
Dasan ang Lifesaver dito, Lawson, tsaka 7-Eleven. Tsaka Family Mart.
Walang mini-stop.
Sa atin nga wala na yun.
O save.
Sa atin, pinag-ano na, pagpagan, paggaling.
Alphamart.
Japan to, dito, ano.
Hindi, Alpha Japan.
Ito kaya maraming kaluluwa sa 7-Eleven.
Mami, dapat pinadadasal lang yung mga 7-Eleven sa atin.
Bakit?
Yung ginagawang pagpagan, yung pagkatapos ng mga libing-libing tsaka ng lamay. Doon sila pupunta para makagpagpag. Kung hindi mga gas station. There's Cory. Babe. Babe. They can see your nose there. Sa labas na talaga, no?
Okay.
Sino gusto kong sakyan? Yan o, yan o. Yan.
Kasi gusto ko mag-ride.
Yun o,
Kaso-
nasa kinabi yun o. Yun o.
Mossberg.
May problem is,
Kaya sabi mo, pagagamit natin yung DJI mo daw, baka malaglag yan. Ha?
Star.
Hawakan mo syempre maigi.
May dogs. Guys, we're already here na. Mami, babang-baba ka na ba?
si Harry Potter, si Hogwarts.
Well, babang-baba eh.
Stop!
Arigato. Hello guys! Look at that. Look at here. Hogwarts. Okay. We're going inside because I got the ticket. But the taxi just dropped us here at that spot. And then we're going there. Universal Studio Day. Oh my gosh. It's been 5 years since I last went here with Daddy and Mom and sister. And then now with my husband. There's my husband and Johnson. So wish Dad was here. He was gonna enjoy this park again eh. He's always enjoying kasi eh. But anyway, we're here. We're back, guys. It's Monday and it's few people here.
Area timed entry tickets are required for entry and
So,
can be obtained through our official
guys, we're gonna take pictures, but that's where we're gonna go. And I got the ticket kasi, so I had to scan it there. So, bye-bye! Guys, we're here na inside Universal. We're gonna, this is the souvenir shops. And we're gonna do rides. And we're looking for somewhere to eat at. That's where we found Daddy. Because Dad was like roaming around when we were here, and then we lost him. And then everyone is panicking because he don't have internet. So everyone of us panics because we don't know where to find him. And then we just found him happily sitting there at the bench while we go around like panicking, and then he's there just casually sitting and looking around. around people and being happy lang. So, we're here. Babe! So, we're gonna eat first. Bye-bye! Guys, we're gonna eat first. Cause, yeah. So, we can roam around. We're gonna eat first. Mami. Thank you. Come on. So, si Johnson. We're gonna look there. So, bye-bye. Ay, wait, titingin muna kami. Come on, babe, let's look at first. To the other side. This is all other. Yeah. I don't think so. Those are all sandwiches and salads. There in the front. So guys, we're gonna look. Oh yeah, might order the Detective Conan sandwich meal. Baka yun sa akin, Detective Conan sandwich. Snack pa lang kasi, Jansen.
Ba't ka kain na nakit din nilalagay ba siya?
So guys, we're gonna order. So guys, this is our food, our first meal here in Universal. So we got the sandwich, and then Cory got the special lemonade here, or the soda. This is strawberry and lemon soda, and it's Detective Conan thing. And there's jelly, there's strawberry, there's lemon, and then there's pixie dust. And then he ordered Coke for me, and then I ordered some salad. It comes with the meal kasi, so this is the salad. And the sandwich. The sandwich looks good, you know. Can you take it? Can you take it out? There. So this is the sandwich. So good. So we will eat now because while it's hot, but it's really good. Everything looks good. So this is the Bulañi where we were here just to have a snack. We just enter Universal. So that's it, guys. We're gonna order. We're gonna eat. Bye bye. Guys, look at this. A Mario Sweet Cafe. Cutie. Cory wants to go to that backdrop, but maybe later because it has a long line. And look at that! So Mario, and then there's a Hello Kitty world. Kitty! We're going to the other part of the theme park. Here. Mami, dalian natin. Para makarating tayo agad. Ah! Ano yan? Mami, unicorn? There's this. Mami! Mami! Dito tayo nagpicture nila daddy, oh. Yung nagalit si daddy kasi gutom na siya. Dasa, nagpapicture ka dyan. Si Jansen naman eh. Babe, look at Jansen. We're going there to that side. So wait for us. Guys, we're here at Snoopy World. Palgime! Babe, Palgime! at Snoopy Studio. We're gonna wait for them. Find Cory. Find Cory. Oh, where's Cory? Where's Cory? It's over there. Babe! Babe! It's starting! But we're not gonna ride there. I'm just waiting for them. So guys, I'm gonna cut the video again because we're gonna roam around. But we're here in Snoopy World. So guys, we're here at Jaws. We're gonna check on the head things. It bites you. Mami, check mo sila. Palabas sila dyan. Babe, look. A tissue holder.
I really like this.
Mami, tingnan mo ta. Tissue holder. So, we're just gonna wait for them. And then, we're gonna start to ride na. Okay, bye-bye. Guys, we're here na at the Jurassic World. We're gonna ride here. Babe, I need to pee pa nga.
I'm laughing back there. It's like,
I know. I'm sorry. It's just so cold. Hey, there's a trash if you want to throw that. Nah. You guys, we're here at Jurassic Park. That's the Jaws! There's bathroom. Can I go to the bathroom? Here na, Jurassic Park. Baby, here. We're going to the souvenir shop. Yeah.
every room has got their own, like, souvenir shop.
Yeah.
And then they all have their own restaurant. Just everywhere.
通話してたら。
That's right there. Where are they? You wanna ride there? Souvenir shop first. There's a dinosaur. We might ride the rides there. So guys, we're gonna ride in the Jurassic Park, the ride. And we're wearing this, guys, because we're gonna get wet, and it's a boat ride, and it splashes water. So there's Cory. So we're gonna ride now. I don't go on extreme rides, but this one I'm gonna ride. My hair bow. Where's my hair? Bye-bye. Guys, we're here at the souvenir shop. Because we just went to the ride. It's really cool. The ride's really cool. So we're gonna go. Excuse me. So we're just gonna look something cute. We're gonna look for the Look at this. Guys, we're going to Harry Potter World. There. Sorry. Harry Potter. So guys, we're gonna eat first my ice cream.